morning, children. On behalf of the Bihani Academy family, I wish each one of you a very happy Children's Day. Children, we love you. We look forward to things getting normal very soon and welcoming you back to the school premise. God bless you.
Hello everyone. Children are the flowers from heaven, and the precious thing in the world is to have a smile on the face of a child. So today I am Trishita Mondal Mukherjee, the class teacher of class 1B, wishing each and every child a very happy Children's Day. And on this auspicious day, I am going to play some riddles with you. So let's start. Children, what has hands and a face but can't hold anything or smile? What is it? Think, think, think. Yes, you're correct. It is a clock. Okay, so our second riddle. I have a tail and a head, but no body. Who am I? Think, think, think. Yes, I am a coin. Okay, third one. So, I'm tall when I'm young and I'm short when I'm old. So, who am I? Think, think, think. Yes, I am a candle. So, our last riddle for today. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Who am I? Think, think, think. Yes, it is piano. So children, I hope you have enjoyed the riddles. So enjoy your day. Happy Children's Day.
नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत 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 सारी शुभकामनाएं। हम बाल दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? क्योंकि आज चाचा नेहरू यानी हमारे भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्म दिवस है और बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू बुलाते थे और चाचा नेहरू बच्चों से भी बहुत प्यार करते थे। वे कहते थे कि बच्चे हमारा भविष्य हैं और उनकी मृत्यु के बाद उन्हें सम्मान देने के लिए हम हर साल 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाते हैं। तो आइए इस अवसर पर मैं आप सभी के लिए एक छोटा सा गीत प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। मालाएं तोरण सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मज़े, मालाएं तोरण सजे हम बच्चों के हैं मज़े, हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हम सहराए, हाथ मिलाए गले लगाए प्यार से हम सहराए, जन्मदिन चाचा जी का बाल दिन हमारा, जन्मदिन चाचा जी का बाल दिन हमारा, चाचा जी हम प्यारे हम बच्चों के दुलारे, चाचा जी हम प्यारे हम बच्चों के दुलारे।
फूले फूले ढोले ढोले बोहे की बा मृदुबाई, फूले फूले ढोले ढोले बोहे की बा मृदुबाई, तोटिनी हिल्लोलो तुले कल्लोले चलिया जाए, पीको कीवा कुंजे कुंजे पीको कीवा कुंजे कुंजे कुहुगाय की जानी কিসের লাগি প্রাণ পড়ে হায় হায়। নীল আকাশে কে ভাসায় সারা মেঘের ভেলা রে ভাই, লুকোচুরির খেলা আজ ধানের খেতে রৌদ্র ছায়ায়, লুকোচুরির খেলা রে ভাই, লুকোচুরির খেলা। चल बनाए आशिया, इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के टिंकों से चल बनाए आशिया। दाबे दाबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होंठों पे कुंडी चला के हम डाले लगा के चल सुन तराने, चुप के गए आधी आधी बात ले। अच्छा दिल की ये जमीन, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपनी आसिया। इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के टिंकों से चल बनाए आसिया।
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. By these beautiful thoughts, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He had immense love for children and believed that children are the future of the nation. So it is crucial to educate them properly. We celebrate Children's Day to make people aware that children are the real future of our country. Let us all celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy the best phase of our life, our childhood.
Hello children, today I am going to narrate a story about a foolish lion and a clever rabbit. Would you like to hear it? Once upon a time, there lived a lion who was arrogant and greedy. He used to kill innocent animals to satisfy his hunger. He used to chase them and kill them in numbers. So, all the animals of the jungle were worried and decided to meet the lion and solve this issue. Hearing this advice of all the animals, the lion agreed.
Okay, so do send me one of the prey every day. Otherwise, I will kill all the animals.
So, every day it was a turn of one of the animal to be the food of the lion. First, the deer went. Then the zebra. And this continued. Now it was Rabbit's turn. He was old, but he was wise. He was taking his own sweet time. Now the lion got angry.
Why are you so late? It is already sunset, and I am dying out of hunger.
Oh, Majesty, do not get angry. It is not my fault. A group of rabbits was coming to you, but on the way, one angry lion killed them all. Only I am left alive. That lion was claiming that he is the king of the jungle.
What? Another lion? You little rabbit, take me to that lion.
So the rabbit took the lion near to the well.
This is the place, Majesty. He must be hiding inside the well.
He looked into the well and saw his own reflection and thought it to be the another lion. He started growling. The other lion also started growling. And saw his own image in the water.
I am the king of this jungle. Who are you? You are not the king of this jungle. I am going to kill you.
Saying this, the lion jumped into the well and lost his own life.
Hooray! Hooray! The lion is gone. Now we can live our life without any fear.
Thus, the rabbit saved the life of all the animals in the forest from the foolish lion. So, children, what do you learn from the story? The moral of the story is wisdom is stronger than physical strength. Thank you.